Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna give you an explanation and presentation about sociolinguistic. This is the mind mapping that I made. Sociolinguistic. The definition of sociolinguistic is the study of language in relation to the society. It studies how social factors influence the structure and use of language. Sociolinguistics, it's a language variety, refers to the various forms of language triggered by social factors. And language variety, the social factor is divided into 5. So the first one is standard language. Variety of a language may be officially elevated as the national language. Such a language variety is called standard language. And then the second one is dialects. And this is the definition is a variety of a language used recognizably in a specific region or by a specific social class. So the next one is registers. Varieties of language used in different situations, which are identified by the degrees of formality. The next is pidgin, a mixed language with a small vocabulary and simple grammar used by speakers of two languages to communicate. And then the last one of social factors is Creole. This language serves as the first language for speakers. When a pidgin begins to acquire native speakers who use it as their primary language, the pidgin turns to be Creole. And now we're going to talk about dialects. Yeah, because dialect is a variety of language. Yeah, this is like a special region, yeah, or by some places and social classes. And dialects also divided into 5 points. And the first point is regional or geographical dialects, varieties of language spoken in geographical area. And the second one is temporal dialects, varieties of language used at particular stage in its historical development. And then third is social dialects, varieties of a language used by people belonging to particular social classes. And then the next is dialects, varieties of a language used by individual speakers with peculiarities of pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. And then the last one about dialects is accent. This is the term refers to phonological variations. And now we're going to talk about the regional or geographical dialects. Yeah, this is also divided into 3 types. There is a speech community, sociolects, and also the formal speech. And now I'm going to talk about the definition. Speech community, a group of people sharing one given language or dialect. The second one is sociolects, related to the formality of speech, are categorized as high and low sociolects. And then the last one is the formal speech is a higher sociolects and the informal lower sociolect. So that's all my explanation and presentation about sociolinguistic. Yeah, thank you for watching and your attention, and see you in the next video. Bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.